In today's video, I will show you how to schedule a message to be sent at a later time. This feature is incredibly useful if you want to ensure your message is sent at a specific time, like wishing someone a happy birthday or sending an important reminder. Let's get started. First, open the chat with the person you want to message. Try out your message in the input field as you normally would and make sure it's ready to go. Instead of pressing the regular send button, press and hold it for a few seconds. This will bring up a new option on your screen displaying a calendar and clock. The scheduling option. Now select the date and time you want your messages to be sent. Scroll through the calendar to pick the exact date and then choose the hours and minute. Once you have set the desired time, tap the schedule or send later button. In some areas it's not updated, so don't worry about it. That's it. Your message is now scheduled and will be sent automatically at a time you selected. This feature is perfect for planning ahead and ensuring you never miss an important message or occasions. I hope this tutorial helped you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.